Okay, I'll just show you how to play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Range Rover 5 litre. So the first thing we do, the mobile is paired to the system, we go to music. There's the record, you see at the bottom, Range Rover there. But if I click on the two symbols at the bottom, you see iPhone or Range Rover. So if I click there, it'll just play through the iPhone. Click there, any sound, any audio that's playing on this phone will come through the speakers if you have it set up right. So let's just go back there. Let's see, there we go. So that's playing. I'm going to turn that up. Then we go over to the system, and you've got the clapper board here. Where is it? Clapper board there, and a music symbol. So if I click on there, it's on the radio at the moment. We don't want it on the radio. So now we go to source, radio, television, Barry's iPhone media library. We want Barry's iPhone 15. Then that's playing. Oh, I'll just click that again. That's playing, and we turn it up. The sound system in this vehicle, the Meridian speakers, is just absolutely awesome. It really is. I mean, let's just see. You see change device, rear media. We've got TV in it as well. But if I just click on that again, select source, settings, audio settings. There we go, audio settings. So here we go. I'll just click bass, bit more bass. Click that, bit more treble. Subwoofer, definitely. Stereo Meridian, Dolby Pro Logic, Dolby Digital. So I don't want that. I've clicked that by accident. So that's all done now. Now we'll listen again. Absolutely superb. The sound system's fantastic.